Michelle and Kyle, to make your marriage work will take love. Love should be the core of your marriage. Love is the reason you are here today. But it will also take trust to know in your hearts you are the best for each other. It will take dedication to stay open to one another, to learn and grow together, even when this is not easy to do so. It will take faith to always be willing to go forward, never really knowing what tomorrow brings. And it will take commitment to hold through the journey you both now pledge to share together.
Almost 10 years have gone by with you by my side. You've been my best friend, inspiration, confidant, and my greatest challenge. But most importantly, you are my person, soulmate, and love of my life. How blessed I am to have found my better half. They say you like someone because of their qualities, but I have found that you love them despite.
Since we met, you have been my #1 fan and me yours. I still remember the day I asked you to be my girlfriend. I got to a point where I was so nervous I wasn't sure if I could actually do it. I'm not sure if I can ever repay you for everything that you've done for me, but I vow to spend the rest of my life trying.
It is with great honor for me to now pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations, you may kiss the bride.
You are my papo, my Shelly, my soulmate, my best friend, and the love of my life. Thank you for giving the weird guy a chance on December 19th, 2012. I love you, gorgeous. Let's start forever.